Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. You're probably wondering where I've been for the past month and then some. Well, it's a long story, but I'll give you the TLDR. I ended up getting a couple of really sweet deals that I just could not miss, so I decided to upgrade my computer. What ended up happening, I bought a CPU, or sorry, I bought the motherboard first, then I bought a CPU, then I bought the RAM, and I was gonna reuse my graphics card and power supply and a couple other things so that I wouldn't have to purchase a whole new computer. And what ended up happening was the motherboard died essentially right after the infancy period, which kind of sucked. So I had it RMA'd over to ASUS, and what ended up happening is ASUS has, well, I don't want to say duped me, but I have been duped, I have been scammed, and I have been at the most, severely lied to. When I sent the motherboard, I sent it with absolutely zero damage, and I have photos of it. However, for whatever reason, it applied. Sorry, not applied. It arrived damaged to ASUS's warehouse, and yeah, after I want to say maybe a week or two, not a couple, just a week or two of just going back and forth with the warranty department, they have decided not to honor it. And just in all honesty, I was very lucky that I hadn't sold my old computer at the time, because I would be without the new computer and without an old computer. So what ended up happening with the warranty department is they were not happy with the responses that I gave them, and I was not happy with the responses that they gave me. Um, and yeah, it's we just could not get into. Nobody could decide who was right or wrong, and they just straight up decided that they're not gonna honor the warranty because the motherboard had um, arrived with damage at their warehouse. And in all honesty, that's kind of a little bit my fault, because I did not do my due diligence and I did not take a video or uh, timestamped photos of my hardware, and that ended up costing me a $400 motherboard, and technically speaking the whole computer, because I have these components that I can no longer return. And that was it. I'm out about $1,200 for the new computer that I really wanted to buy so that I can start bringing in a little better videos. But yeah, this is the situation. So as it is, um, we are just with my old computer, and I will just continue making my videos on the old computer. It really sucks because I was really looking forward to the new computer so that I can make a couple new videos, but here we are, and here we are. I don't know what to make of it, outside of I'm just really disappointed in whatever ASUS has decided to do, and their quality control and the shipping company that they use. Everything was provided by ASUS. One of the things that really got to me is on the photos, the coin cell battery was in a different position than what it was from when they received it. I'm like, okay, cool. You guys can take a look at the chat and see that your representative, right before allowing me to send it, has asked me to perform a CMOS reset. So I performed the CMOS reset. Obviously, it's not going to be in the same position. I did not know that was a requirement for it to be the exact same. Anyways, So they were not happy with that because it would mean that they would actually have to reset my sorry, not reset, but replace my motherboard. And then they asked me for the timestamp photos. I'm sorry, I did not know that I have to go at war with the warranty department for having a claim done for something that is not my fault. And this is currently the final situation as it stands, is that my motherboard somehow got damaged, and I am not the one that damaged it. And ASUS has completely flat out refused to honor their warranty. And that's it. That's where we're at right now. We have been duped, we have been conned, we have been severely bamboozled, and that's where we're at. And from my personal experience, realistically speaking, I will probably, just in all honesty, I will probably never again buy ASUS products. And there's so many other manufacturers. I would give Gigabyte, I would give Zotac, I would give MSI a chance before I ever buy ASUS products ever again. Hell, even Zotac. Hell, to be honest with you, I might even go with the AliExpress brands before I decide to buy an ASUS product ever again. And again, just continuing the spiel from earlier, honestly, it could be my fault. It could be my fault because I did not listen to Jay's 2 cents. I did not listen to I mean, I don't want to listen to Linus Tech Tip anyways, but I did not listen to Linus Tech Tips either, or Steve from Gamers Nexus. I didn't listen to any of these guys when they were complaining about ASUS's practices on just quality control and everything, and that ended up costing me about over $1,000, 1,200 to be specific. And not that it's gonna not that anything's gonna happen now, that not that my computer is gonna get replaced or anything like that. I honestly don't care. I will bite the bullet on the $400, but not everybody can. And I'm probably betting that one day somebody is going to have a fight and a field day with ASUS's warranty department, and they are not gonna have a good day, because literally everything that they're quote unquote asking for in their quality control is gonna be answered. And you know what, I just want to see that happen. I just want to see somebody sending a manufacturer defect motherboard, have it arrived damaged at ASUS, and ASUS actually seeing that the shipping happened, or sorry, the damage happened in shipping, so that despite their decision for it to be a CID, customer induced damage, that it's not really a customer induced damage. It's something that happened during shipping, and they would have to honor it despite their million page terms of service with regards to how they don't take care of physical damage and so on and so forth. I'm just, like I said, I am extremely disappointed. I would give, at this point, literally any other manufacturer, hell, even the AliExpress sellers, before I ever buy another ASUS product again. And that being said, because I finally have my old computer set up and ready to go, I will be going back to doing videos again. It's gonna be a little slower. It's gonna be a little shittier than what I would like, honestly. But I gotta get back into working on it. I actually gotta start delivering content so that I can potentially get more subscribers and reach monetization, because the way it's going, I know I bit the bullet. I probably jinxed myself by doing that, but that new computer was definitely gonna help me um, perform my tasks just a little more fluently. Thank you for listening to my 10-minute rant. If you do have the opportunity not to buy an Asus product, my experience has led me to say do not buy an Asus product simply because of the after purchase care you as a customer are very probable to receive. I'll see you guys in the next video.